Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation. 2 to the power t is equal to t to the power 32. Our job is to find the value of t. So let's start. 2 to the power t is equal to t to the power 32. We take power 1 over t on both sides. So by using this power rule, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. When we multiply this t by this 1 over t, this t will be cancelled out with this t, and at left hand side we are left with 2 is equal to this 32 times 1 over t will become t to the power 32 over t, and from here we take power 1 over 32 on both sides. So the left hand side will become 2 to the power 1 over 32 is equal to, by using this power rule, when we multiply this 32 over t by this 1 over 32, this 32 will be cancelled out with this 32, and the right hand side will become t to the power 1 over t. This implies that t to the power 1 over t is equal to 2 to the power 132. Now this left hand side remains the same, and we work on this right hand side. This 1 over 32 can be written as 2 times 1 over 64. So this will become 2 to the power 2 times 1 over 64. Now by using this power rule, a to the power m times n is equal to a to the power m and whole to the power n. This can be written as 2 squared inside the brackets, and outside the brackets we write this power 1 over 64. At left hand side we have t to the power 1 over t. Now this 2 squared will become 4 to the power 1 over 64. Now this 1 over 64 can be written as 2 times 1 over 128. So this will become 4 to the power 2 times 1 over 128, and by using this power rule, this can be written as 4 squared inside the brackets, and outside the brackets we write this power 1 over 128, and this will become 4 squared is 16 to the power 1 over 128, and at left hand side we have t to the power 1 over t. Now this 1 over 128 can be written as 1 over 128 can be written as 2 times 1 over 256. So the right hand side will become 16 to the power 2 times 1 over 256. This can be written as 16 squared and a whole to the power 1 over 256, and this is 16 squared is equal to 256. So this will become 256 to the power 1 over 256, and at left hand side we have a t to the power 1 over t. Now if we compare base with the base and exponent with the exponent, it is obvious that the value of t is equal to 256. This is the final answer of this equation.